welcome back to my channel after a long break because I was in vacation. Now I came back to some amazing nail mail that I wanted to share with you, and it is Magic Gel Systems' new brush set. I was super excited, super pumped about these when I saw that they were coming up with them. And today I'm showing them to you. So the kit comes in this cute little box, and God knows how much I love cute boxes. I have a little something for them. And look how fancy the brushes are arranged inside the box. I love this. The first one I'm going to show you is Flawless Sculpting number 6. It is perfect for smaller nail beds, and the rounded tip it has is also perfect to get nice and close to the cuticles. Now to compare it, I have Flawless Sculpting number 7, which I have shown you in other videos, shown here on the right. So you can see that Flawless Sculpting number 6 is significantly smaller, which can come very handy. Next up, we have Abstract Fantasy number 3. I don't think I have a brush like that in my collection, and I can't wait to see what I can create with this pointy tip. Then we have Calligraphy Art number 2. This brush was made to create these Old English letters, which I have been dying to try. This one is Stunning Flowers number 2. As opposed to their original Stunning Flowers brush, this one was made to create smaller petals. To finish with the last one, but not the least, Perfect Dot 00, which, as its name says, will let you achieve perfect round dots every time. If you want to look at more examples of what you can do with these brushes, I will leave a link to Magic Gel's video where they show all the brushes of the kit and more examples of how to use them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and let me know which of the brushes you would get most use of in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!